So finally, the crowdfunding for the Cardputer Zero has already ended. And all we got to do is just to wait for the Cardputer Zero now. But I have found out a way that you can experience the Cardputer right now. So let's see how you can do it. So let's start with our one-stop solution, Google, and we'll search here Cardputer Zero GitHub page. Here we'll open the first link. Now search for the emulator and open that. Here we just need to copy the link for the repository. Once it's copied, we can move back to our terminal. Now we'll clone the repo. Don't worry about the commands. I'll drop the link to the documentation for all the commands in the description. Now let's wait until it's complete. Once it is completed, open your files and open the folder where everything has been downloaded. Now under src folder, open main.cpp in any text editor and edit these 4 values. Okay, so once the main file is done, we have to replace this cmake.txt to the one that I have placed in the description. So just copy that and paste it into the same folder. Once this is done, we are back to our terminal. For this part, please make sure that you have cmake installed in your system and with all the C libraries. Now we have everything ready with our source code, so let's start building the app. So we'll create a build folder and set up the cmake in the build folder. Once this is done, you can see the following files in the folder. Now it's time to start the build. Let's skip the boring build process, and once the build is completed, you can see all the files has been created for your application. Now all we need to do is just execute the emulator and your Cardputer is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for your suggestion or any issues you face.